Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to all of you. Let me tell you guys one beautiful line. The line is, we don't have equal talent. We don't have equal talent, but we have equal opportunity to develop our talent. So, first of all, I would like to thank to Allah who gave me that strength. With that strength, I can learn English, I can speak English, I can practice English, and with that strength, I can practice, I can try in every subject, in every field. After thanking to Allah, I would like to thank to our Prophet Muhammad, may Allah peace be upon him, who is my prophet and messenger also. After thanking to our Prophet, I would like to thank to those teachers about whom our Prophet Muhammad said that تعلموا العلم وتعلموا للعلم السكينة والوقار وتواضعوا لمن تعلمون منه. Means gain the knowledge, and for the knowledge gain the seniority and waqar, and respect your teachers. After that, I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. So this is Muhammad Jamil Mia Qadri, and today I'm gonna describe about education. My dear brothers and sisters, we all know that how important education is right now, how important education is in this world. Education is the main source to make our future bright and to live a happy life. My dear brothers and sisters, think about this. If we want that, people should talk about us, people should appreciate us, people should remember us as an idol. So what should we do? If we want that people should remember us as an idol, so what should we do? Remember this, the answer is we have to study, we have to get knowledge, we have to gain knowledge, we have to achieve the knowledge. And I'm saying that there are many famous personalities like in this world: Albert Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, Newton, and in our religion, in our Islam, Sheikh Saaduddin Tafazani, Shareh Bukhari, and our Imam Ahmed Raza Khan, Fazil Barelvi, may Allah peace be upon them. So consider about this, my friends. They have passed out from this world many years ago. They have passed out from this world many years ago. But what's the reason that people talk about them? People remember them as an idol in 2023. What's the matter? They have passed out many years ago, and people remember them as an idol in 2023. What's the matter? Let me tell you guys, the matter is they had education, they had great knowledge about any subject. My dear friends, consider about my sentence. What did I say? I said they had great knowledge. So for this, we Muslims say, Dal di qalb mein azmat-e Mustafa Sayyidi Ala Hazrat Bilakhu Salam. And for this reason, one person said, education is the key to unlocking the world. It's the passport to freedom. And about education, Albert Einstein said that education is not about learning of facts. He said that education is not about learning of facts, teaching of facts, narrating the facts. He said that education is not about all these things, but education is all about the main process. The main reason of getting education is all about the thinking, the training of mind to think. The main process of getting education is all about the training process of mind to think. But some people think that, no, we can't do it. We can't get education. The process, the method of getting education is so hard. We are not able to get education. Some people think, but let me tell you guys one main point. The point is the roots of education are bitter. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. And remember, my friends, there is a high level respect about education in Islam. High level respect about education in Islam. Remember this, when Allah revealed His first revelation, when Allah revealed His first revelation to our Prophet Muhammad, may Allah peace be upon him, what did He say? What did He say? He said, Iqra. He said, Iqra means study, get the knowledge, gain the knowledge, achieve the knowledge. And like this, our Prophet Muhammad, may Allah peace be upon him, said that Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslimin wa muslima. It's the duty of every Muslim man and every Muslim woman to achieve the knowledge. To achieve the knowledge. So for these reasons, we have to get knowledge. If we have to get knowledge, so By these words, I wind up my speech. I know that I don't have a high IQ level. I understand that I am not able to teach you, but I just intend that मुअर्राहु हुनर से सरापा ऐब हु अकबर मुअर्राहु हुनर से सरापा ऐब हु अकबर इनायत अहिब्बा की अगर अच्छा समझते हैं. And at last, I just want to say one line. If there is no education, if there is no education, there is no life, there is no career, there is no. For these words, I conclude my speech. Thank you all great people for being here to my words. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.